I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Assalamualaikum children. For this weekend, Auntie will teach you about objects that have shape sphere. Okay, shape sphere means the object have a one surface and it has a volume. So Auntie will show to you examples the object that have a shape sphere. Okay, this one is one example. Okay, this one is a globe. Okay, what you can see, it have a one surface. It have a what circle shape and it has a volume. So we call this one sphere shape. Okay, another example is this one. This one is a ball. Ball also have a one surface and it has a volume. Okay, and the last one. Okay, this one is a woolen ball. Okay, woolen ball also have a one surface. Okay, then it also have a volume. So so for children, what should you do is you go find any object at your home that have a sphere shape. Okay, see you then. Assalamualaikum.